different ecosystem. They are interdependent on each other. The term interdependence means depending on each other. So, what are the examples of biotic components? It is plant and different types of animals. Now, let us see how are these plants and animals interdependent on each other. First, we will take a look at interdependence between plants and animals. Insects like butterflies and honeybees are dependent on flowers for food. They travel from one flower to other to collect nectar from flowers. While traveling from flower to flower to collect the nectar, the pollen grain of one flower gets stuck to their body. So, these honeybees or butterflies transfer pollen grains from one flower to the other. This is how these insects are useful in pollination. As plants are dependent on animals, similarly, animals are dependent on plants. Animals depend on plants for food. So, plants prepare their own food and they also provide food to other living organisms that are present on Earth. So, plants can be called as the universal food providers. Animals depend on plants for food and shelter. This is how they protect themselves from sunlight, rain, cool breeze, etc. They protect themselves by hiding under the trees. Now let us see what are the other means by which plants prepare their own food. Plants need several things to make their own food. Sun is the main source through which plants prepare their own food. Plants get energy from the sunlight and at the same time they also get CO2 from the atmosphere. Plants get water and minerals from the soil. Chlorophyll is a pigment that is present on leaves of the plants. By using sunlight, CO2, minerals, water and chlorophyll, plants prepare their own food. Chlorophyll is a pigment which is present on the leaves of plants, so by using sunlight, CO2, water, minerals, chlorophyll, plants are preparing their own food materials, so they are providing food to animals also. Animals and plants depend on each other for food. At the same time, they also depend on abiotic factors like sunlight, water, soil, etc.